Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will going to teach you how to make a button like this that will going to give you the animation like this. So okay, first of all, if you have doesn't access my code of this series, you can go to my GitHub website which will going to look like this, and I will going to also give you the its repository links. Like we have made it so many repository like basic portfolio for beginner, Velixa voice assistant project, button animation, compound interest calculator, and this is in process face attendance system, and so many like that. So okay, each one of them has been placed on our channel, so you can check out for it. So let's dive to our basic part of it, code. So let's see how we have concluded. We have made this code. First of all, we have imported the boilerplate. Then we have created a button with a hover me effect and as in a normal this, which will going to work like this. Okay, so we have given the class as left for it and then the right class. Then we have added the this part. You can copy it from the source code that I have will give you in the description box. Okay, so it is so long key, so you can copy it from there. So without any delay, let's go to our CSS part of this code. So first of all, we have imported the font family as source code pro from our Google. Okay, so then we have defined our main variables as text color as this, then the shadow color and its button color as bluish, and the background color. Then we have given the default CSS for as border sizing as border box. Then we have started on basic CSS. We have written the HTML and body part, width as 100%, height as 100%, display as flex, align item as center, justify content as center, background color as black. Then we have go to our button part. We had defined its position as relative, padding as 10 and 20 pixel, border none for giving it a realistic look like this around this corner part. Then cursor as a pointer and or imported CSS, source code pro, font weight, text transformer as uppercase, and font size as 30 pixel and color as that we have given above before in this video, and background color as this, and a box shadow as the darkest version of it, and then the border radius as 4 pixel and z index as 0 and overflow hidden. Then we have given it the focus part of button it as a transparent as outline color as transparent, box shadow as what it was right there. Okay, blue color. Okay, blue color, 2 pixel, 2 pixel and 22 pixel. Then we have go to our main CSS of this code, as in a right part and left part of it. So we have added the right class, then the after effect for, and then for a button we have defined the content color right there, then the content part, then display as block, position as absolute, white space as nowhere, padding 40 pixel, pointer events none, then button after, font weight 200, top minus 300 pixel, left minus 20 pixel, right, left, position as absolute, position as absolute, okay, position as absolute, width as 100%, and this, and height for right side you can left it 66%, and for the right left you can write it to get this animation for yourself, this animation, and then we can go to our after part of it, how it will going to adjust back to its normal state. Like top, it will minus 30 pixel, left like minus 66%, minus 20 pixel, background color as black, and color as transparent, trans transition animation as transform, and is in ease out format, and transform it 90 and rotate it by 0 degree. Then it will go. We have added the hover effect for right part, like this, transform, translate, and then the button and left part of it. Then we have go to our main next part of it, which will going to create the buttons for it. So let's take a look at it. We have defined the content as none, empty, pointer defined events none, opacity is 0, opacity is 6, radial grid as circle at 20% and 35%, transparent 0, transparent 2%, and text color as 3 pixel, and text color as 4 pixel, and transparent 4. Then another type of it, then the similarly for 75 and 44, and transparent as 0, transparent as 2, and then the variable color, and then again transparent 4 pixel. Then we have go to our radiant part of it, as circle at this, and transparent this, and then variable color 5 pixel, and variable color as color 6 pixel, and transparent as 6 pixel, and then define our width as 100%, at height as 300, top 0 and left 0, and position as absolute, and animation of bubbles. For bubbles we have defined it as, first of all, from translate as nothing, and then to this part minus 66%. So that's it for today. Make sure you like and subscribe this video. Make sure that you watch my other GitHub repositories and my GitHub channel, like this one. This will going to display as this. Okay, so that you watch my other videos for it. See ya.